Hello to all of our MONECO Advisors clients and their family and friends. My name is Jason Hyde. I am a partner and financial advisor here at MONECO Advisors, here to present to you our wealth of knowledge. The first item that we have for you is our Insights video blog. April is Financial Literacy Month, so our Stephanie Van Albert is bringing to you a video talking about financial foundations for new grads. Some helpful content that you can pass along to any young person, any potential new college grad that's about to graduate from college, or any young person that you may know. Things like budgeting, managing student loan debt, or how to start an investment program. There's some great content in there that can help young people start off on a very good, solid footing from a financial perspective. Our first article for you is a recap of what happened in the first quarter in the markets for 2025. And while it seems like a long time ago, it wasn't that long ago. And the markets were preparing for tariffs. There was a lot of headline talk about tariffs, and Liberation Day didn't happen until the beginning of the second quarter of this year. So there was a lot of talk about tariffs. And there was also no interest rate cut that was anticipated. So the Fed kept interest rates the same in the first quarter of this year. And so the S&P 500 actually fell during the first quarter of this year by 4.6%. But at the same time, the Barclays Aggregate Bond Index, it was just sort of like the S&P 500 for bonds, went up 2.7% over that same period of time. So there's some great information in the article about what happened during the first quarter. And our third article is about interest rates and what we can expect, the market outlook for interest rates, really, because it's a very fascinating time about what's going to be happening with interest rates, or could be happening. Because if it wasn't for tariffs, the likelihood is that we would possibly see interest rate cuts, that the Fed would cut the Fed funds rate. We've had lower inflation and lower prices in a lot of areas, and strong labor market. But with tariffs, and at least a 10% tariff on everything coming into our country, meaning higher prices, it could very well mean inflation. So our president is certainly not happy about it, but the Fed is holding off on raising interest rates. Cutting interest rates, and so we'll see what's going to happen with interest rates. But without tariffs, there would be interest rate cuts. And so the markets like certainty to the extent that it's available. And that is not something that's been available so far this year. There has been very little in the way of certainty. But one thing that I do know is that your team here at MONECO Advisors and your financial advisor is here for you, here to talk to you, is available for you. To review your portfolio, and to review your goals, and to review your diversification, which all of a sudden matters again. So anytime you want to, please reach out to your financial advisor to review where things stand for your portfolio and to make any adjustments that may be needed. As always, we hope that you are safe and well and ready for a nice, warm spring. Thanks for watching.